Okay, let's have a look at the question.
Write a program to print the second greatest of the given three numbers. Yes, in the previous thing they have asked for the greatest one. Now how we are going to find out the second greatest? Yes, I'll take one example. I'll take one example. I have got, yes, 1, 2, 3. Now here you need to print 2 here. I'll take out A, B, C. What will be the condition for this? Yes, lowest we can take it out by reversing the condition whatever we have given. Greatest also we can take it out. Yes, how you are going to find out the second greatest? Now they asked us to take out the second greater number. Second greater number. Just please concentrate on this. We'll try to take out in different ways. Okay. First, what we'll do, whatever we have done in the greatest one, right? I'll be checking whether here I've got ABC as three numbers. Okay, ABC are three numbers. I'll take it as 1, 2, and 3. First, I'll check it out whether A is greater than B and A is greater than C. What is this? What is this, guys? Can I say A is greatest? Right? Can I say A is greatest? So if A is greatest, then I should say that A cannot be the answer. A cannot be the answer. Like example, if I'm going to have, I'll take out all the possibilities. This is 3, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. This will be the condition for this, right? A is greatest. So it is satisfying this condition. First if. First if. This is satisfying this. But inside this, I can have B as the answer, or I can have A as the answer, or C as the answer also. But not A. So what I'll do is I will check inside this, look here. If A is greater, done. Now inside this, what you have to check, which one is greater. If number this one, that is nothing but if B is greater, look here, if B is greater than this, then can I say B is the answer, right? So we have got this is greater. Next I'm checking whether B is greater or not. If B is greater than C, I can say B is greater, else I can say C is greater. That is nothing but the second largest number. So I'll be going out with this. If B is greater than C, then printf. Okay, I'll just write in a shortcut one. B, printf B, else print print C. So are you clear with this? This is when A is greatest. A is greatest. Next, what if B is greatest? Else if. What is the condition we have? B is greater than A and B is greater than C. What if this is greatest? What if B is greatest? Similarly, we'll move on with the next one. Else if we have got A, B, and C. Here I've got 1, 3, and 2, or 2, 3, and 1. Here B is greatest, right? If this is the case, again we need to move with a similar question, similar thing. If A is greater than B, then print A, else print B. Print sorry, not B is not possible, print C. So this is done. So we are done with A is greatest, we are done with B is greatest. Now the last condition is else, which says C is greatest. Inside this we need not give any condition, we can just take out this one. If C is greatest, like else, here I'm taking all the possible conditions, guys. C is greatest, I have this is C. Now this can be 1 or 2, this can be 2 or 1. Now I can check, sorry, here is not greater than C, B. Okay, it should be greater than C. Okay, now here if I'm going to take else, if A is greater than B, then print A, else print B, else print B. Okay, can I say this is the final one? Can I say this is the final one? So these are the three things you have to do. The same thing you will be going out with the greatest, and out of which you will be, inside that you will be finding out the other greatest among the other two. Okay, guys, please look into this. I'll be taking out the same code here. First, I'll go with the first condition. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C. This is when I can say that A is greatest. So inside which, okay, here, this is A is greatest. Next, I'll be going with else if where I'll be checking with B is greatest. That is nothing but B is greater than A and B is greater than C. B is greater than C. This is the condition where which says B is greatest. Else, this is the condition where we'll be going with C is greatest. Okay. Now I'll write down the condition inside this. If if A is greatest, B and C will be left out. Okay. So I'll be checking whether B is greater than C or not. If B is greater than C, then what I have to do? I need to give print percentage D. The value should be B here. The value should be B. Okay. This is when B is greater. Else we already got to know that we cannot take A. B is already done. Next, I can print C here. If B is not greater, second greater, then I can print C. Okay. Similarly, inside this else if condition, I have checked whether B is greater. This is the condition where B is greatest. If B is greatest, inside this, I will check out for A and C. If A is greater than C, then I will print A. Else I will print C. Else I will print C. Inside this is where C is greater. Then I will check out with B and C, B and A. So I'll check out whether A is greater than B. If A is greater than B, then I can go with printf A. Else I can move out with printf B.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.